In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calls with Microsoft Teams. This powerful communication platform makes connecting with colleagues, friends, or family incredibly straightforward, whether you're working from home, collaborating on a project, or simply staying in touch. We'll walk through the simple process of initiating an audio call directly from your Teams application, ensuring you can connect with anyone efficiently and effectively. To begin, once you have Microsoft Teams open on your desktop application or web browser, your first action will be to navigate to the Chats section. Look for the Chats icon, which typically resembles a speech bubble or a thought cloud, located prominently on the left-hand sidebar of your Teams interface. This sidebar is your primary navigation panel for various Teams functionalities like Activity, Calendar, and Files, offering quick access to essential features. Clicking Chats is your gateway to all your individual and group conversations. It's the central hub where all your text-based interactions reside, and it's also where you'll initiate most of your direct voice communications. Make sure you're comfortably oriented with the Teams layout. If the sidebar isn't immediately visible, your window might be minimized, or you might need to click a hamburger menu icon, typically 3 horizontal lines, usually in the top left, to expand the navigation panel. Taking this initial step correctly ensures you're in the right place to access your contacts and conversation history. Once you've successfully clicked on Chats, you'll see a list of all your recent and ongoing conversations populate in the main content area, usually to the left or center of your screen. Your next objective is to locate and select the specific conversation you wish to make an audio call to. This list displays individual chats as well as group conversations, making it easy to see who you've been communicating with recently. Carefully scroll through this list until you find the person or the group of people you intend to call. If the conversation isn't immediately visible because it's an older one or a new contact, don't worry. You can utilize the powerful search bar, often found at the very top of the chat list or even at the very top of the entire Teams application. Simply type in the name of the person or the name of the group chat, and Teams will quickly filter the results for you. Once you've identified the correct conversation, simply click on it. This action will open up the full chat history in the larger panel to the right, displaying all previous messages exchanged with that particular individual or group. Confirm that you've selected the right chat to avoid any accidental calls or miscommunications, especially in a professional setting. With your chosen conversation now open and visible on your screen, you're just one simple click away from starting your audio call. Direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the conversation window. Here, you'll typically find a series of icons representing different actions you can take within that specific chat. Look specifically for the audio call icon, which is universally represented by a classic phone receiver symbol. This icon might be positioned next to a video camera icon, which is used for initiating video calls. But for this guide, we are focusing purely on the audio option. Simply click on this phone receiver icon to initiate the call. Teams will immediately begin the process of connecting to the other participant or participants in the conversation, and you'll hear a ringing sound as it attempts to establish the connection. Before you click, it's always a good practice to quickly ensure your microphone and speakers are properly connected and selected in your device settings, just to guarantee a smooth and clear experience once the call connects. During the call, you'll have options to mute your microphone, turn on your camera if you change your mind, share your screen, or end the call, all accessible from a small call control bar that appears. And just like that, you'll be connected and ready to communicate effectively.